Fact 11. Did you know that Jamaica was the first Caribbean country to construct a railway? Soon after the British constructed theirs. We constructed ours in 1845. We have or had about 18 railway stations, but most of them are not in operation now. There are only a few used for private freight of bauxite and sugarcane. But yes, we have the distinction of being the first Caribbean country to have the railway. Now you see, we are gone. Happy Independence, Jamaica! And thanks for watching. You can follow me on my social media on Facebook at tanya.hernandez.9440234 or on my Instagram at Doraytee, Doraytee. You can also follow me on YouTube. Just put in Tania Hernandez or Miss Tania Lou. And you can also go on my website, TaniaLHernandez.com. What good?